Who can guess what we're doing? We're filming, so let's say if you're jumping up, this to pick me.
So reasons why I can't film on my own. Actually leave me for 10 seconds and I broke the light bulb. Hey guys, welcome back. Big up to Ashley for holding the lights for me.
Hi everybody.
Today I'll be talking about why I've been MIA for so long. So how I feel about the 30-day challenge. At first when Ashley was telling me that she's going to do it, I'm like, yeah, you can do it. Of course you can do it if you want to. You can film every day and edit. But you don't have to post like every single day. Like I never see it necessary. But this morning when I watched her video, this morning because I never have any time before. So yeah, this morning when I watched her video, I'm like, oh, that's nice. I kind of get it now. I get it now. So I don't feel like, oh, I should upload it every day and just putting out this content or we're going to need it later down the line. I don't see that way anymore. So I think it's fun and I think it's cool that she's doing this. And I'm definitely here to support with a few videos. How I feel about YouTube. I like being a YouTuber, even though I don't really feel like a YouTuber. But I like it. I like the whole idea of it. I feel like we can get big and I want to get big-ish.
As in you just want to be like a big YouTuber but nobody know you when you walk on the road?
I don't want it to be a big deal, like, oh.
Like how Bella always go up on TVJ and them something you don't want to do that. You just
I just want to be a YouTuber, like, nobody don't know or be all extra about it, like, oh, I'm famous. I just want to, put out videos that I like and people watch it and, that's basically what I want. A lot of the times, like, I really can't bother. Like, I really, really can't. And I hate leaving my house. Like, okay, I should say that she's more dedicated. But I mean, when you have this fancy house, can film in easily and all of that. I mean, it's much easier for Ashley. I don't know. I don't feel like I want to do it all the time. Enough time to say, oh, man, I told Ashley something I couldn't YouTube. And my mother was like, no, you can't give up so easily. So I'm like, fine. Enough time when Ashley called me to come over to film, I really don't want to because I hate leaving my house and taking the bus. But when I'm here and I get into it, like, I'm into it. So I like it. I just need to be more dedicated, like put my heart into it. Yeah, like I have YouTube inspirations. Like when I watch them, I feel like yes, I can do it. I want to be like these people, but so it's like when I'm feeling like I don't want to do this anymore, I don't even watch them at all. And that sounds bad, but like. So yeah, I have school and I'm really, really busy with school. I have school most days from 8 a.m. and I don't get home till like after 8, after 9, after 10, and I have to get up like 5 o'clock and do schoolwork, and I just don't have any time to film or pay much attention to YouTube. And Ashley has the camera most of the time and I can't film by myself. I tried that and it was an epic fail because I'm retarded and I don't know how to use the camera by myself. So whenever I have time to film, Ashley doesn't have time to come over and vice versa. Our time's not, I don't know the word, but our time's just not.
You finished?
It's a part of me, so we can't find the word. We haven't been finding our right time. So people have been asking where is Dana, why haven't I been uploading and all that. So I've basically just been busy with school. School basically took over my life. I'm doing a like 3-year program crammed into 2 years. So it's a 4-year program crammed into 2 years. So I don't have any time for anything. I've still been doing stuff like I did my color and I did the haircut and I have videos that I need to put out and I have video ideas and stuff that I want to do. I plan to straighten my hair over my summer holiday. I plan to...
Which is 2 weeks?
Yeah, over my 2 weeks holiday. So I have 2 weeks starting next week. I have a new DIY treatment that I want to do really soon. And anything else that you guys want me to do, you guys can just leave it in the comments or reach out to me on any social media or whatever. And let me know so I can while I have the 2 weeks time, I'm going to try and film more than more what? I'm going to try and film enough so even when school start back in the summer, your summer, my school time, I have things to put out so it don't seem like I'm that MIA.